Hello, this is Dr. Kilgore from Dr. Kilgore's World with another learning video. Today our learning goal is I can convert exponents to standard form. Our guiding question is how can I perform operations with exponents? So in this video we're going to be looking at the 5th grade skill of exponents, which involves the base of 10. So a base is the number to be multiplied. It's the big number in your exponential notation. The exponent is the number that tells us how many times the base is used as a factor. So look at these examples here. We have squared, where your exponent is a 2. So 10 to the second power, or 10 squared. And then we have cubed, where your exponent is a 3. So 10 to the third power, also known as 10 cubed. Exponential notation is that faster way of writing the repeated multiplication. So we've got 10 to the 5th power. Expanded form is the repeated multiplication written out. In this, you can see how we have 10 to the 5th power, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens multiplied by each other. And then we have standard form. It's also known as number form. It is really the answer or the product of that repeated multiplication. So strategies for exponent success. First, we want to write out the expanded form, complete the repeated multiplication to get the standard form, and that's really it. Exponents are easy once you see the pattern of how they work. So let's go ahead and pull up some exponents here and do a few practice problems together. Okay, let's look at a few practice problems here. So let's try 10 to the second power. Our first strategy for exponent success is to write it out in the expanded form. So that is the same as saying 10 times 10. And then we're going to complete the repeated multiplication. So if we look at that again, that means that 10 squared, or 10 to the second power here, is going to be 10 times 10, which is 100. So let's look again at our next one here. See if I can get a better brush stroke. 10 to the 4th power. So again, we're going to write it out in expanded form. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 to the 4th power equals 10 times 10, which is 100, times 10 times 10, which is also 100. 10 to the 4th power equals 100 times 100, which is going to be a 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Which makes that 10,000. So I hope this practice has helped you to see that exponential notation is just really an easier way of writing out this repeated multiplication in problems. Let me know if you have any questions in class, and make sure that you understand these exponential notations. I will be walking around. Please feel free to stop me and say, hey, Dr. Kilgore, show me this in action. Make sure that your notes are complete from this video, that you have the practice problems written down just like I showed you in the video. Have a great day. I wish you luck on your practice.